Introduction: AI in BMW's automotive manufacturing. Narrator: in the heart of automotive innovation, BMW is pioneering a revolution. Imagine robots, powered by artificial intelligence, meticulously crafting the vehicles of tomorrow. This is not science fiction. It's the reality unfolding within BMW's advanced manufacturing facilities. The rise of humanoid robots. Meet the Figure 02, BMW's latest recruit. In its US Spartanburg plant, this AI-driven humanoid robot is not just assembling cars, it's redefining the manufacturing process, handling metal components with precision, is enhancing ergonomics and safety for BMW's workforce. NVIDIA's AI platform, but BMW's vision extends beyond individual robots. Partnering with NVIDIA, BMW is developing AI robots powered by the NVIDIA Isaac platform. This collaboration aims to optimize logistics and accelerate the production of customized vehicles. Soon, these advanced systems will be deployed across BMW's global network of factories, revolutionizing automotive production. Narrator: as electric vehicle manufacturing evolves, the integration of robots offers unprecedented efficiency. By leveraging existing production lines and distribution networks, BMW is poised to significantly reduce costs and accelerate vehicle production. The future of automotive manufacturing. While BMW leads the charge, other automotive giants are joining the robotic revolution. From Tesla's Optimus to Volkswagen's collaboration with Tech, the industry is embracing humanoid robots as integral parts of the manufacturing process. Even Hyundai plans to deploy Boston Dynamics robots in its production lines. The economic impact of robotics. Experts predict a transformative shift in the robotics market. By 2033, humanoid robots will tackle complex tasks, driving down costs and revolutionizing logistics. By 2035, the market is projected to reach a staggering $30 billion. Reshaping the future of automotive manufacturing. Scene 7. Conclusion. BMW's vision for the future. Narrator: BMW's integration of AI and robotics is more than just technological advancement. It's a testament to innovation and efficiency. As these intelligent machines learn and adapt, they enhance the quality, speed, and customization of BMW vehicles. The future of automotive manufacturing is here, and BMW is leading the way. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities of AI-driven manufacturing and witness how BMW continues to shape the future of the automotive industry. Thank you for watching.